Otter AI versus Trint. Welcome to my Otter AI versus Trint comparison. Links to both platforms are provided in the description if you'd like to explore them further. In this video, I'll discuss their features, who they're designed for, and how they compare so you can decide which transcription tool fits your needs best. Otter AI is a robust, AI-driven transcription platform designed for professionals, students, and teams. It excels in real-time transcription for meetings, interviews, and lectures, with features like speaker identification, keyword highlights, and collaboration tools. It integrates seamlessly with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, making it an ideal choice for remote workers and content creators. Otter AI's pricing starts with a free plan offering 300 transcription minutes per month, while premium plans include additional features such as advanced editing, higher usage limits, and the ability to import audio and video files. Trint, on the other hand, is built for content creators, journalists, and businesses focused on high-quality transcription and editing. Its standout feature is its interactive text editor, which syncs audio with text for precise corrections. Trint also supports team collaboration, allowing users to comment and tag within transcripts, making it great for team-based workflows. It supports transcription in over 30 languages and offers translation services, which can be a significant advantage for multilingual projects. Pricing for Trint starts with a higher base than Otter AI, targeting professional users who prioritize customization and advanced tools over affordability. The key difference lies in focus. Otter AI emphasizes real-time, affordable transcription with excellent collaboration features, while Trint targets users needing more detailed editing, translation, and high-level collaboration. Otter is best for regular, lightweight transcription tasks, especially in live settings, while Trint is ideal for professionals managing complex content creation workflows. Ultimately, both are excellent platforms, but your choice depends on your workflow needs. If affordability and speed are crucial, Otter AI is the way to go. For advanced features and multilingual capabilities, Trint stands out. Check the links in the description to learn more about both platforms and choose the one that's right for you.